Meaning of denationalize.
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 Denationalize. The term denationalize refers to the process of removing or transferring the ownership or control of a company or industry from state hands to private ownership. This means that formerly nationalized assets or entities, such as utilities, transportation systems, and natural resources, become privatized. The result of denationalization is typically increased competition, as private companies are able to innovate more quickly and efficiently than state-controlled entities. Additionally, denationalization can result in increased efficiency and profitability for the formerly state-owned enterprises, which can benefit both the companies and their customers.